Hello, welcome to my channel, Tony Mel TV. Today I'm gonna show you how to install a dishwasher. You need Merrettes for the electrical and Teflon tape for the plumbing, for the water connection. So this is where you're supposed to plug your water line. This is under the dishwasher. So just connect them together. And also under the dishwasher, you will see the electrical box. So that is the electrical box of the dishwasher. It will be connected to that live wire under the dishwasher, because the electrician installed the electrical wire under the floor. See, it's coming from under the floor. So yeah, you can see all the wires going inside that little hole, the drain pipe, the wires coming from under the floor, and you'll see the water, that water pipe that's also going under the cabinet, because we will connect that to the water line. So Daddy Tony here, he's the one installing and putting the Teflon tape. So connecting that. We see how he's doing things here. Maybe just 3 rounds there, and then he will connect the water line. So yeah, he's connecting that, and that tube also will go and be connected to the water line under the sink. So you can see all the piping that will go under the sink. So while Daddy Tony is pushing in the dishwasher into that cabinet, I'm gonna be on the other side and pulling all the wires. So we are doing that so we don't get a kink on the drain pipes and kink on the water line. So we don't get that. We are going to simultaneously, he's pushing and I am pulling. So I'm pulling that now while he's pushing the dishwasher in. So when you're pushing in the dishwasher, it should be flushed or aligned to the cabinet. So you'll see he's trying to align everything. That should be aligned. So that side also. So they're aligned. We are ready to install the electricals. So that's the electrical box, and we're installing them. So this part is used to level the dishwasher. So Daddy Tony already installed the water line and the drain. So drain is installed on the drain pipe of the sink. This is the electrical. He started fusing together, connecting together the electrical wires, and he used the Merrettes. It's wire connector. That red one that you see, that's a wire connector. So when you do electricals, you'll just follow the color, like white is to white, black is to black, and then that green and the copper, that's a ground, so you fuse them together. So that's how you do it. That's easy. Just making sure that it's tight. So white is to white, black is to black, and the ground green is to copper. Okay, and I'm going to insert everything, like push everything into the box, and we're ready to close the box so the wire will be secured. That blue thing there, that's a stopper. Stopper prevents the wire to get loose. So now I'm ready to put the cover of the box. There's a little screw that you have to screw it in to really tighten it. At last we're finished. You can see the dishwasher is all flushed to the cabinet. So you need to screw so that it only screwed in that side of the dishwasher. You need to screw it so when you use the dishwasher it won't move. So two sides, you see the button, that side there's a button there that covers the screw, and this side also, that button covers the screw. So that's screwed in. See? Yep. So, okay na. Nailagay na ang aming dishwasher. Tingnan natin ang nilagay ni Daddy Tony na nagamit na rin ito eh. O yan, sinarahan niya na. Yan. Okay, naka-close na siya. Meron po siyang close dyan sa loob. Ayan. Close na. Yan ang toe niya. So, okay na. Ganda na. Ganda na po. Lilinisin na lang ulit dahil ang daming dumi-dumi. So, ganun lang po ang pag-install. Actually, pag nagpa-install ka sa Home Depot, oh my God, ang installation or something. Okay, so we're going to try. Water on. And let's see. Quick, upward, power scrub, normal, moderate, quick. Okay. And then there's also the sanitary, extra dry, extra rinse, delay start, and that will start now. So, oh, it's starting. So, it's 2:24. I'm gonna do excerpts. Okay, it's working.